Welcome to this presentation by NGO Services Online. I'm Tanya and I'll give you a quick orientation to Management Support Online, also known as MSO. MSO is one of the two online services of BNG NGO Services Online, and this is our website's homepage. Standards and Performance Pathways is designed to help organisations meet multiple sets of quality and accreditation standards, compliance reporting, and to maintain quality throughout the organisation. MSO is an integrated resource site to support governance, management, operations, administration, and quality practice development. It is designed to support and meet the needs of governing bodies or boards, managers, staff teams, and volunteers. Both of these services have been specifically developed for service provider organisations and the Australian community services and health sectors. Let's have a look at the layout and features of MSO. I've logged into MSO using my unique username and password, and that takes us to the MSO homepage. Looking at the top menu bar, you can see the main features of MSO. Browse Resources is where you'll find information and all the practical tools and templates of MSO. The first thing to notice is how the resources are categorised into topic and subtopic areas. This categorisation flows throughout the MSO and aligns with how organisations operate, covering all the key functions of governance, management, and service delivery. There are 10 topic areas. Here is governance and management with 7 subtopics. If we click on the subtopic Board Roles and Responsibilities, the related information sheets, tools, and templates are listed, where you can then select the resource that you're after. The information sheet provides a brief discussion on selected issues, such as this one on board basics. The tools and templates, such as the governing body position description for a chairperson, provides an outline and content on the issue from which you add your specific organisation details or amend to suit as needed. The search function allows you to search for resources based on a search term, or for example, governance, or if you know the title of a resource type, you can put it in here. Policies and procedures. Often people are just looking for a policy template on a specific issue. All the policy templates are located here under Policies and Procedures to make it easy to locate the one that you're after. Again, they're categorised under the same topic and subtopic areas. There's over 100 policy templates located just in this section. Assess Your Organisation contains quick diagnostics to understand how your organisation is currently performing in specific areas. Sticking with the topic of governance and management and the subtopic of board roles and responsibilities, you can see a series of questions are asked and an assessment is done on performance. Depending on your responses, it may indicate you're performing well, or you may be directed to a relevant good practice guide to improve performance. So let's have a look at the good practice guides. These guides aim to improve operational practice by providing information and indicators of good practice about the subtopic areas. Each good practice guide explains the subtopic and addresses the key elements that should be in place within organisations. They also include some questions for organisations to consider, and we've addressed some related practice concerns that we hear from organisations. You can also see throughout the Good Practice Guide that there are hyperlinks to relevant information sheets, templates, and other resources, helping you to translate theory into practice. And what if you can't find a specific resource or need some advice about an organisation-related issue? You can call us, or you can send us an email direct from the site here. Provide your name and email address along with your question, and we'll get onto it within one business day. On the right-hand side menu bar, you can renew your subscription, or you can contact us with general inquiries. We've also created a new resource under the term directory. These directories provide hyperlinks to relevant organisations or to relevant legislation. They focus on particular topics, and I'll show you some of them. If we type in the search term directory, we've got a few started now. We'll be adding more in the future. And organisation incorporation, I'll open that up here, is a list of the legislation relating to organisation incorporation for each state and territory. Now, each of this legislation is hyperlinked, so you can go straight to it or directly to the organisation or agency that oversees the implementation of that legislation. Or this one on workplace health and safety, it refers to the national and state-by-state and territory legislation relating to workplace health and safety. Now, an overview of the benefits and applications of MSO. Well, we've designed the MSO to support you in your work and to make your job easier. It's a bit like having your own virtual consultant. For example, the MSO's assessment and diagnosis area gives your organisation a quick health check, telling you at a glance areas of vulnerability and risk, as well as your organisation's strengths. The guided activities, information sheets, and tools build capabilities, skills, confidence, as well as good practice and quality improvement. You can easily access what you need when you need it, even if your organisation is in a rural and remote area. And importantly, you don't have to recreate the wheel. Just download the policy and procedure template, the resource or other template, and tailor it to your needs. This creates efficiencies and saves you time. And if you get stuck, you can draw on confidential expert assistance to help you solve a problem or work through a complex issue. If you'd like to read more about MSO, you can do that here. You can see our full list of MSO resources here. And if you're a peak body or a government department and would like to have your own tailored version over MSO for your members or funded services, contact us to discuss your particular MSO portal needs. If you'd like to subscribe to MSO, you'll see our subscription rates are scaled to the income of your organisation, making MSO very affordable. To subscribe, click here, complete the short registration and payment details, and we'll get it underway for you. If you're wanting to discuss MSO or other services of BNG NGO services online. Contact us by phone or email. We look forward to talking with you.